Good morning, everyone! Stego's awake and ready to play!
The Stegosaurus, a herbivorous dinosaur from the late Jurassic period, is renowned for its distinctive armored plates and spiked tail. In an ancient forest, where nature remains wild and verdant, the Stegosaurus live peacefully amidst the endless trees.
Why am I different from everyone else? Why don't I have spikes on my tail? Their tails are so strong. I wish I had those spikes too. Don't be sad, Stego. I'll come with you to find the wise monkey mage in the old forest who will help you get those amazing spikes. The monkey mage lives deep in the old forest. If we can find him, maybe. We will definitely find him. I'll help you.
Thank you, Lucky.
Let's go, Stego!
Be careful, Stego. What you seek is not just strength, but knowledge and courage.
The old forest is here. Let's move forward together, Stego.
Let's begin!
The spiked tail is the weapon to fend off predators. Big brothers, let me play with you! Keep going, just a little more, Stego.
Let's keep going, Lucky.
Oh no! This footprint is too big! It must belong to some huge predators! Stego, watch out! The predator is lurking very close!
Stego, watch out! The predator is lurking very close.
Look, Lucky! There's something really special about this tree. Hurry, Lucky! We have to get out of here before it's too late!
Come on, Stego. You can do it.
Adult Stegosaurus eat tender leaves to supply enough nutrients for their large bodies.
That's pretty tasty! Wanna try some, Lucky?
They eat soft, tender young leaves rich in nutrients to keep their bodies healthy and help them grow quickly.
Life in the forest is so much fun!
That's right, Stego. We have many more amazing adventures ahead.
Adult Stegosaurus use loud booming calls to communicate with each other, signaling their presence and keeping in touch within their wide social groups.
I'm learning to call. Do you think it sounds right, Lucky?
Now I'll teach you some special calls so we can chat together, Stego.
Yes, sir!
We need to find a hiding spot quick, Stego. The hunters are really close. Whoa! The big guy's tail spikes are so strong and sharp.
One day, I'll have a tail like this to protect everyone. it to the cool waterfall, Stego. This is my favorite time to bathe and preen. The coolness and shiny feathers feel amazing. The water here feels so cool, Lucky.
Let's keep moving, Lucky!
That's right, Stego. Let's go. The forest is getting thicker, and something feels strange here, Lucky. Stego, this area hides many mysteries we don't know yet. We have to be very careful.
A mysterious monkey mage watches silently over the journey.
Hello, sir. Who are you? I've really never seen you before.
Why have you come to this hidden place of secrets? These symbols connect us to the ancients, children. They hold the wisdom of our past. The ancestors of the Stegosaurus once lived in these ancient forests. The icy spike on the tail is the ancestors' treasure, meant only for the chosen one.
And the crystal pulsed with a light colder than any winter.
Wow, that icy spike is so amazing. Feel the strength of your ancestors awakening within you, Stego.
Look! The spikes!
You are the chosen one, Stego. The ice tail is not just a unique mark, but a symbol of the chosen one's special mission to protect the world.
I'm ready for any challenge ahead with this new power. The spikes are growing little by little. I can feel the power getting stronger. We did it, Stego! Isn't it amazing?
Watch Stego's power!
I'm much stronger now. I'm ready to return to the tribe.
The chosen one has returned. We need your strength, courage.
Each day, the spikes grow longer. They're so strong. The chosen one has returned. We need your strength and courage. I met a mysterious monkey wizard and learned the magic and power of the icy tail, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone.
Everyone like and subscribe to the channel.